Hamza Mwazu on a 6-count charge of conferring advantage on a female staff member of the CBN, contrary to the provisions of Section 19 of the Corrupt Practices and Other Related Offences Act 2000. Celestina Iria, TVC News, Abuja.
Well, let's take you to the Supreme Court, where the election of 6 state governors were upheld by the justices. The governors are Dakwa Abiodun of Ogun State, Sheriff Oberewuri of Delta State, Abdullah Isule of Nasarawa State. Others are Inuwa Yahaya of Gombe State, Nasiru Idris of Kebbi State, and Ubasani of Kaduna State. Judiciary correspondent Celestina Iria has more.
Were empowered to deliver the judgment. One led by Justice Kudirat Kekiriekun and the other by Justice John Okoro. The appeals were either dismissed for lack of merit or for being incompetent.
Again, by the Supreme Court, His Excellency is very grateful to the court, he's very grateful to everybody in Ogun State for their support, and we look forward to us being in office till 2027, delivering on the mandate of the people and our promises to them.
Victory of today, the Supreme Court, as well as the victory, our victory in the Court of Appeal and Tribunal. Alhamdulillah, we thank God for that.
We thank the court for the judgment. It's a very lucid judgment, and it has restated the position of the law. It has brought more clarity into the issue of pre-hearing notice.
Concluded today, I believe it is a high time for us to join hands together to work together for the progress of Kaduna State.
The Supreme Court has confirmed the judgment of the tribunal and confirmed the judgment of the Court of Appeal. So there's great rejoicing in Delta, there's thanksgiving, and the people of Delta will now settle down and face the business of government.
We are very happy for this judgment. This judgment has opened more new doors for us in Delta State, in line with our new agenda, which is meaningful development for all Deltans, opportunity for all, realistic reforms, and also to enhance peace and security in the state.
Jubilations trailed the judgment as parties whose victory the court affirmed could not hold their excitement. The Supreme Court has laid to rest all issues in respect to the governorship election appeal from the state. What this means is the opposition, either as appellants and respondents, having exhausted all their legal opinions, will now have to embrace the governance of the duly affirmed governors. Celestina Iria, TVC News, Abuja.
And reactions have continued to pour in from states where the Supreme Court upheld the elections of the governors. Residents of Nasarawa, Delta, and Ogun and Kaduna states celebrated the victory of their governors at the Supreme Court.